Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the exquisite sari fashion choices of the Pooja Hegde. Known for her impeccable style, Pooja has graced various events and red carpets in the most stunning saris. Let's take a closer look. Our style journey begins with Pooja's embrace of traditional elegance. Whether it's a classic silk sari or a Kanjivaram masterpiece, she effortlessly carries the grace of traditional Indian attire. The vibrant colors and intricate designs add a touch of regality to her look, making her a vision to behold. Pooja isn't afraid to experiment with contemporary chic styles. From modern drapes to unconventional blouse designs, she infuses a breath of fresh air into her sari looks. The fusion of traditional and contemporary elements showcases her versatility and keen fashion sense. One trend that Pooja seems to adore is the floral fantasy. She has been spotted in saris adorned with beautiful floral prints and embellishments. These outfits radiate a sense of femininity and bring a playful charm to her overall look. When it comes to red carpet events, the actress raises the fashion bar. She has stunned us in glamorous designer saris that feature intricate embroidery, sequins, and sheer fabrics. Her red carpet appearances are a masterclass in blending sophistication with a dash of allure. While Pooja can dazzle in elaborate ensembles, she also knows the art of minimalist magic. Saris with clean lines, subtle embellishments, and solid colors highlight her natural beauty. It's a testament to her understanding that simplicity can be just as impactful as extravagance. Her mastery of monochrome saris is truly noteworthy. She effortlessly pulls off monochromatic looks, showcasing the elegance of a single color palette. Whether it's a pristine white or a bold black, her choice of monochrome saris highlights the timeless allure of simplicity. What sets Pooja apart is her willingness to experiment with sari draping styles. She has been seen sporting unique drapes that add an element of creativity to her outfits. Whether it's a quirky pallu twist or an unconventional pleat arrangement, she proves that there are endless possibilities in the world of sari draping. Banarasi saris hold a special place in her wardrobe. The luxurious silk and intricate zari work of Banarasi saris elevate her look to regal heights. These timeless pieces make a statement at various events, showcasing her appreciation for the rich textile heritage of India. Sometimes, Pooja adds a contemporary twist to her sari looks. Whether it's a pre-draped sari gown or a sari paired with a trendy belt, she proves that saris can be adapted to suit modern fashion trends without losing their traditional essence. It's this fusion of styles that keeps her fashion game exciting. Her travel diaries include some breathtaking sari moments. From beach destinations to picturesque landscapes, she knows how to make a statement with her choice of saris. Light, breezy fabrics and vibrant colors dominate her vacation wardrobe, giving us major style goals for our next getaway. Pooja Hegde isn't afraid to sparkle in sequin-drenched saris. Whether it's for a film premiere or a high-profile event, she has been seen dazzling in saris adorned with intricate sequin work. The play of light on these ensembles adds a touch of glamour, making her stand out on the red carpet. Adding a bohemian touch to traditional attire, the actress has been spotted in boho chic saris. Think tassels, fringe details, and eclectic prints that bring a free-spirited vibe to her look. It's a testament to her fashion fearlessness and ability to seamlessly blend different styles. Breaking away from conventional sari silhouettes, Pooja explores contemporary drapes and unconventional blouse designs. Whether it's a cape-style blouse or a trendy off-shoulder number, she proves that innovation in silhouette can breathe new life into the timeless elegance of a sari. The actress celebrates the rich diversity of Indian textiles by showcasing various heritage weaves in her sari choices. From Chanderi to Patola, each sari tells a unique story of craftsmanship and tradition. Her appreciation for these hand-woven treasures adds cultural depth to her fashion repertoire. Mirror work holds a special place in her sari collection. The reflective embellishments add a festive and vibrant charm to her outfits. Whether it's small mirror accents or an all-over mirror work sari, she effortlessly brings a celebratory feel to her appearances, perfect for festive occasions. Her wardrobe boasts an array of saris adorned with intricate threadwork. Whether it's delicate floral patterns or elaborate motifs, the fine craftsmanship of these saris adds a touch of sophistication to her ensemble. The attention to detail in the threadwork reflects her discerning taste in fashion. Sheer fabrics take center stage in some of Pooja's most memorable sari moments. Whether it's a sheer pallu or an entire sari crafted from translucent material, she manages to strike the perfect balance between sensuality and grace. The strategic placement of embellishments adds to the allure of these sheer ensembles. Artistry meets fashion in her hand-painted saris. These unique masterpieces feature intricate hand-painted designs, showcasing her appreciation for wearable art. Each stroke of the brush tells a story, and Pooja effortlessly transforms these saris into canvases of elegance and creativity. She pays homage to tradition with saris featuring temple-inspired designs. These saris often boast intricate borders and pallus adorned with motifs inspired by temple architecture. It's a beautiful nod to cultural heritage, and she carries these divine designs with poise and reverence. In a nod to vintage fashion, the actress has been seen donning saris with a nostalgic touch. Whether it's vintage prints, retro color palettes, or classic weaves reminiscent of a bygone era, she effortlessly revives the charm of yesteryears while staying firmly rooted in contemporary style. Pooja Hegde effortlessly incorporates lace into her sari choices, adding a touch of femininity and sophistication. Whether it's delicate lace borders or entire saris crafted from lace fabrics, she embraces the intricate patterns and textures, elevating her overall look with a romantic and timeless appeal. Geometric patterns take center stage in some of her sari selections. From bold stripes to intricate geometric motifs, she showcases an appreciation for precision and modern aesthetics. These saris not only highlight her fashion-forward mindset but also add a contemporary twist to traditional attire. Ruffles make a dramatic entrance into her sari collection. She has been spotted in saris featuring cascading ruffles, creating a playful and dynamic silhouette. This unconventional choice adds a sense of movement and flair to her overall ensemble, making a bold statement on the fashion front. Playing with color contrasts, the actress dons dual-toned saris that create a visually striking impact. Whether it's a combination of bold hues or subtle pastels, the dual-toned effect adds depth and dimension to her sari choices, showcasing her keen eye for color coordination and design. Pooja Hegde isn't shy to experiment with accessories, and one standout trend is her incorporation of belts with saris. Whether it's a slim, embellished belt or a statement piece, she skillfully cinches her saris, creating a defined waistline and adding a contemporary edge to her traditional looks. Her sari collection includes opulent pieces adorned with mirror embroidery. These reflective embellishments create a dazzling effect, catching the light in the most mesmerizing way. Whether it's scattered mirrors or intricate mirror borders, she brings a touch of glamour to every event she graces. Tassels become a playful addition to her sari repertoire. Whether dangling from the pallu or adorning the hem, tassels infuse a sense of movement and vivacity into her looks. These fun and flirty details showcase her ability to balance sophistication with a hint of carefree spirit. The actress embraces the sheer allure of organza in her sari choices. The lightweight and translucent nature of organza fabrics add an ethereal quality to her looks. Combined with intricate embroidery or delicate prints, these saris create a stunning visual impact, perfect for various occasions. Experimenting with layers, Pooja introduces a dynamic dimension to her sari styling. Whether it's layered pleats or a multi-tiered pallu, the artful layering adds depth and complexity to her sari ensembles. This unconventional approach showcases her willingness to push the boundaries of traditional draping. Her fashion choices extend to concept saris that tell a story. Whether it's a sari with script prints, artistic motifs, or thematic designs, each ensemble carries a unique narrative. This avant-garde approach to sari fashion demonstrates her passion for using clothing as a form of self-expression. The actress pays homage to diverse cultures through her sari choices. Whether it's a vibrant Banjara sari or a Kantha work masterpiece, she celebrates the rich tapestry of India's cultural heritage. Each sari becomes a canvas, telling a story of craftsmanship and tradition from different regions. Adding a touch of drama, the actress incorporates capes into her sari looks. Whether it's a sheer cape overlay or an intricately embroidered cape paired with a sari, the style choice adds a layer of sophistication and contemporary flair, turning heads at every event she graces. Pooja exudes opulence in velvet saris. The plush texture of velvet adds a regal touch to her attire, making her stand out at formal events. Combined with intricate embroidery or embellishments, these saris showcase a perfect blend of luxury and traditional charm. Matching her sari choices to the seasons, she effortlessly transitions from light, pastel hues in spring to deeper, richer tones in winter. This thoughtful approach to seasonal styling demonstrates her keen awareness of color palettes, ensuring she stays on trend while embracing the essence of each season. The actress embraces whimsy with saris featuring playful prints. From quirky motifs to artistic patterns, these saris add a touch of lightheartedness to her wardrobe. Her ability to balance sophistication with a sense of playfulness is a testament to her fashion versatility. Her sari collection boasts the timeless beauty of Zadosi embroidery. The intricate metallic threadwork and embellishments add a touch of royalty to her looks. Whether it's a full Zadosi sari or subtle detailing on the borders, she effortlessly exudes regal charm. From elegant tussar silk to rustic khadi, these saris not only celebrate the craftsmanship of weavers but also reflect her commitment to promoting indigenous textiles and sustainable fashion. Mirroring her vibrant personality, Andy elevates her sari game with dazzling mirror work creations. These saris, adorned with mirrors of various shapes and sizes, capture and reflect light, creating a mesmerizing effect. The play of reflections adds a dynamic and festive element to her ensemble. Breaking away from convention, Pooja experiments with sari pant styles. Whether it's dhoti pants, palazzos, or cigarette pants paired with a sari, she redefines the silhouette, infusing a modern and edgy vibe into traditional attire. It's a bold choice that showcases her fearless approach to fashion. The actress brings a touch of the celestial to her sari choices. Saris adorned with moon and star motifs, celestial embroidery, or cosmic-inspired designs add a whimsical yet elegant dimension to her wardrobe. It's a unique and ethereal approach that sets her apart in the world of fashion. Pooja Hegde takes a trip down memory lane with saris that revive heritage styles. From vintage-inspired weaves to heirloom pieces, she showcases an appreciation for timeless designs that transcend generations. These saris tell stories of the past while seamlessly fitting into the contemporary fashion landscape. Channeling a blend of tradition and fusion, she introduces the Angrakha twist to her sari looks. The crossover style of the Angrakha, usually seen in traditional Indian clothing, adds a unique and charming element to her sari ensembles. It's a seamless integration of two distinct styles, showcasing her fashion innovation. The actress explores the beauty of Naumzari embellishments in her sari choices. The intricate threadwork and bead detailing create a nomadic-inspired aesthetic, giving her saris a bohemian and free-spirited vibe. It's a departure from traditional embellishments, adding an element of wanderlust to her wardrobe. Adding a touch of drama, she opts for saris with trail detailing. Whether it's a cascading pallu or an embellished trail attached to the sari, the style choice adds a sense of grandeur and red carpet allure. Her saris become not just garments but flowing works of art. Concluding our exploration of Pooja Hegde's sari fashion choices, it's evident that her style captivates with its rich diversity. Whether she's donning a traditional avatar or embracing contemporary trends, Pooja Hegde continues to be a trendsetter in the world of fashion. Which of her sari looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.